Hello everyone, welcome to Astech. In our channel, we will show some tricks and tips. So watch this video until the very end.
So first of all, we have to open Adobe Premiere Pro, and I am using 2.22 version of Adobe Premiere Pro. So when you open your Adobe Premiere Pro, you will see something like this. You have to go for open new project, and then you have to save your project file to any location which you want. And remember, this is very important because sometimes we forget to save our project file and we missed our project file. So this is the user interface of Adobe Premiere Pro. So we start from here. Here you can see a box where we can upload our video. So first of all, we have to upload our clips that we want to edit. For example, if we take these clips, so here is my clips. You can take your clips by double click here and import where your clips are located, or you can directly import your file like this. Just drag and drop here. When you import your clips on Adobe Premiere, then you have to go on timeline. So here is my clips. As you can see, I can move this arrow to watch my clip. Another important thing that you have to lower your resolution by pressing 1/4 to watch your video smoothly. So I can drop as many as clips I want, like this one. This is my second clip. Here is my third clip. And here is my fourth clip. I can drop as many as videos I want. For example, if you see this clip, this is slightly shorter than my screen. So I have to press double click and match with the corner. So now it looks perfect. And the third important thing is that we have here our controls. Like I can scale down my video, and if I want to move my video right to left, up and down, anything I want. And if you want this clip on the right place, so you have to press this reset parameter, and now then my clip is perfect on its own location. And here is my effect control as well. Like for example, if I go for video effects, so if I type crop effect, so I have to drop on my clip. And as you can see, if I want to crop my video from upside, so I can crop it. And if I want to crop my video from downside, I can easily crop it. If I want to crop my video from left, so I can crop from left. And if I want to reset my video, so as you can see, my video is reset now. So this is a small intro video of Adobe Premiere Pro. The important part of the video is how to add free plugins to your Adobe Premiere Pro. Then you have to go to a website, Adobe App Free Plugins. Then you have to click on the first link, and here you can see you can download for Mac and also for Windows. You just need to simply sign up with your email, and after you log in with your email, you have to download the file. The files look something like this. You have to simply install it. I already installed it, so you have to just simply install it. I already installed in my computer. And then you have to restart your Adobe Premiere Pro. I don't need to restart because I already attached it with my Adobe Premiere Pro. And then you have to go to the window, and here you can see a option extension. So I have two extensions, Adobe Premiere Studio and Adobe Premiere Composer. So I will show you this Adobe Premiere Studio because we installed this free plugin. When I press it, a small dialog box came in front of me and I have to press demo. And here you can see if I press this demo transitions that is available on this plugin, I can add any transition I want in my video. For example, if I choose this transition, you have to press this transition and press add. So as you can see, my transition is here now. And remember one thing, you have to move this arrow in between these clips. So if we add this transition in between our clips, so our transition add into between these clips. Now as you can see, my transition is working perfectly. There are so many different transitions. If I show you the next one, like this glitch transition, so you have to press plus to stretch your layer panel. So now my transition is here, as you can see. If I slightly move this transition between my clips, so as you can see, my transition is working perfectly. You can add any transition you want. So for example, if I want to add this text, we have similarly that we have done in our transition. You have to press this text and add. So now my text in my layer panel. So if you want to edit this text, you have to press double click on your text. So here you can see you can edit any text you want. For example, if I type and then I have to click on my screen, as you can see, my text is changed and now it's showing me something like this. So as you can see, my text is edited and showing me perfectly. So guys, you can add many other things from this free plugin. You can add many free color preset, and here are some also sound effects you can add to your clips. So you can add many other preset on your video.
Hope you guys enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support. Like, subscribe and share. Meet you in the next one.